Hey 226 and 212 lab instructors, how you doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. In today's lab, students will be exploring Ohm's law, in which they'll look at the voltage and current relationship across a resistor of a fixed resistance. And they will also be looking at the nonlinearity of the voltage to current limit of a light bulb. The tools that you will need are a DC power supply, as we used last week, a Vernier current probe, as well as a Vernier voltage probe. So using the LoggerPro software, opening a LoggerPro file called Ohm's Law, students will be changing the voltage of their power supplies and collecting data points of voltage and current going through and across their resistor, respectively. So let's go ahead and fire up this power supply. We're going to use no more than 5 volts. Our voltage probes are limited to up to 6 volts. So keep it at 5 or below for the duration of the lab. Let's output. And let's go ahead and start collecting data. So here I can see points start populating on my plot. Here I can see that I'm at 5 volts and 76 milliamps, which corresponds very closely to my power supply I'm reading here. I'll go ahead and I'll keep that data point. I'm going to change the voltage. I'm going to drop it down 1 volt on my power supply. I'll keep that data point again, and students will go through this repeatedly, keeping V set, drop it down to 2 volts, keep the data point, V set, drop it down to 1 volt, keep it, and here we can go ahead and stop, and I can see that I've formed a nice straight line. I'll go ahead and highlight the selected region and fit a linear line with the R equals. And I can see that my slope, 66.6 volts per amp, ooh, it's a little ominous, corresponds to the resistance of the resistor that I was using, which was a 66 ohm resistor. Students will be asked to do this for 2 resistors and then once again for a light bulb. When doing the light bulb, it's very, very important that they have the current rating set on the power supply to no more than 500 milliamps. Any more than that will blow the tungsten filaments and we'll have to replace the light bulb. That's all that they're doing in today's lab, so have a good time and stay whatever.